ageLOC TR90 system is a 90-day holistic weight management program composing of 3 main components: the advanced products, a simple eating plan, and an active lifestyle. Research reveals that changes in body weight and shape are likely linked to gene expression. ageLOC TR90 products are developed based on the understanding of gene expression to help promote normal metabolism, maintain lean muscle, and to support a positive mood and willpower while dieting. Next up, let me introduce to you a superhero ageLOC TR90 product. Grapes are a popular, nutritious, and delicious fruit. The flesh of grapes can be eaten raw, made into jam, wine, jelly, and many more. Grapes are rich in a group of potent antioxidants called polyphenols. Studies have suggested that greater polyphenol intake may reduce body weight. Red orange is a type of orange with dark red flesh. It is less acidic and has a sweeter taste with hints of raspberry. A number of studies suggest that red orange juice supplementation may reduce fat accumulation and benefit weight management. Onion, a widely consumed vegetable for many years, is rich in a compound called quercetin. Quercetin has been shown in research to have potential benefits in body fat reduction. The extract of these 3 plants made the key components of ageLOC TR90 Complex. The other active ingredients in ageLOC TR90 Complex include green tea leaf extract, citrus bioflavonoids, and canned fruit powder. All of these ingredients have been shown in various studies with benefits in weight management. Nu Skin selected these beneficial ingredients and formulated them into the exclusive ageLOC TR90 Complex blend based on innovative Nu Skin science. This blend of ingredients can positively influence gene expression related to the promotion of healthy metabolism and the maintenance of lean muscles. Maintaining a healthy metabolism and muscle mass are important to weight management. ageLOC TR90 Complex is a great way to get your healthy metabolism back on track, while also making sure to maintain lean muscles. But not to forget, being physically active by incorporating exercises into your lifestyle gives plus points to the muscle maintenance and metabolism support benefits of ageLOC TR90 Complex. Remember to stay active while you are on ageLOC TR90 program. Aim for at least 3 sessions of half an hour moderate to high intensity exercise per week. You can go for a run, gym, or home workout. It is not complex. Most importantly, just move along with ageLOC TR90 Complex.